This FastCap tape measure with the grey surround is a flatback tape measure, but this one is a standard or Imperial story pole. Now what that means is it's got a flat back on it, which means it'll sit nice and flat to your timber. You could mark out some measurements on here. If you're on a particular project and you've got loads of strange or unusual numbers, what you can do with this is once you've marked it out once, move the tape measure across and you can transfer those little pencil marks onto the story pole, and basically you can bring that back to your next job. I could write on here whatever the job is I'm actually looking to do, and every time you come back, rather than have to think about what the numbers were, you can just transfer them with your pencil back onto your next project. These are so useful. You could use this and just use it all the time for the same repetitive project that you are doing. If you don't want to do that, you can easily just remove the marks off there so he's clean, ready for the next time you're going to use him. All of the FastCap tape measures have some features which work across the board. So they all have a writing pad. So it's fantastic. You take your measurement, you can physically write on there wherever it might want to be so you don't forget it. When you finish with that and you're happy, just wet up your finger or your thumb and you can soon wipe that off. What they also have is a pencil sharpener built in. So you're out on site and your pencil sharp or your pencil's getting blunt, easily sharpening back up. We also have a really good spring belt clip. If you don't want to use the belt clip, just unscrew it and take it off if you're just going to use it within your workshop normally. Otherwise, use your belt clip just to hold your pencil, perhaps while you're working. For more detail of any of our FastCap tape measures, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Remember, we do ship worldwide, and look at us on our social media channels as well.